How's it going, everyone? We're going to do some practice questions for the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification exam. Here we go. Which AWS service is primarily designed to store objects such as files, images, and backups? You got A, Amazon EC2, B, Amazon S3, C, Amazon RDS, and D, Amazon VPC. What do you think? You got your answer? Give it a second. It's on a slideshow. Ooh. I thought it'd be quicker than that. Bum 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 bum. Dang, let's take. All right, there we go. Amazon S3 is the answer. Amazon S3 is AWS's object storage service designed to store large amounts of unstructured data such as files, images, videos, backups, and logs. It provides extremely high durability and scalability. Amazon EC2 provides virtual servers for running applications, not object storage. Amazon RDS is used for managed relational databases such as MySQL or SQL. I'm not even sure how to say that. Postgreg SQL, whatever. Amazon VPC is used to create isolated cloud networks, not to store data. We'll go on to the next question in a second. Second. Uh, Stay with me. Don't leave. Which AWS pricing model allows customers to pay only for the compute time they actually use without long term commitments? A. Reserved instances. B. Dedicated hosts. C. Savings plans. Or D. Pay as you go. Give it a second. I hope you got your answer. I think you guys know what this one is. Give it a second. Um, D, pay as you go. The pay as you go model means you only pay for the resources you actually consume. This is one of the core principles of cloud computing and Amazon Web Services. Reserved instances involve committing to a 1 or 3 year term for discounted pricing. Dedicated hosts provide physical servers dedicated to one customer, often used for compliance and licensing needs. Savings plans provide discounts but require committing to a consistent usage amount over time. You got that? You learn it all? Also, by the way, if you're new to tech, which I'm guessing you are, hopefully, or I don't know, whatever. If you're new to tech, um, and you're thinking about like the help desk role or something like that, check out Course Careers. Description will be in the link, or the link will be in the description. All right. Which AWS service is used to control user permissions and access to AWS resources? A. AWS Identity and Access Management. B. AWS Lambda. C. Amazon CloudWatch. Or D. AWS Cloud Formation. Get your answers ready. Pretty soon. Mm, 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 mm. AWS Identity and Access Management. AWS Identity and Access Management allows administrators to create users, groups, and roles and assign or shoot groups and roles and assign permissions that control you guys get it that control access to AWS services and resources. AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service used to run code without managing servers. Amazon CloudWatch monitors logs, metrics, and system performance. AWS CloudFormation is used to automate infrastructure deployment using templates. What question was that? Two or three? I don't know. Hope you guys are still with me. If you are, you're awesome. Oh, sorry. This dang thing. Oh my goodness. Which AWS service allows you to run code without provisioning or managing servers? A. Amazon EC2. B. AWS Lambda. C. AWS ECS. Or D. AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Get your answers ready. About 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and a few more. What we got? Oh, this is question 4. B. AWS Lambda. AWS Lambda allows developers to run code in response to events without managing servers. AWS automatically handles scaling, patching, and infrastructure. Amazon EC2 requires you to manage the virtual server, including operating system updates and scaling. Amazon Elastic Container Service is used to run and manage containers, but infrastructure still needs to be managed depending on the launch type. AWS Elastic Beanstalk simplifies application deployment, but still provisions infrastructure behind the scenes. Just so you know, I'm going to be releasing like more of these practice questions for AWS, Network Plus, CFR, the CyberSec First Responder, and like something else, SC900, I think. Which AWS service is primarily used for monitoring metrics, logs, and alarms for AWS resources? A. AWS CloudTrail. B. Amazon Guard Duty. C. Amazon CloudWatch. And D. AWS Config. Answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't actually know what the countdown is. I just know it's like on a 30-second thing. The answer is C, Amazon CloudWatch. Amazon CloudWatch collects metrics, logs, and events and allows users to create alarms and dashboards to monitor system health. AWS CloudTrail records API activity and account actions, not operational metrics. AWS Config tracks configuration changes and compliance rather than performance metrics. Amazon Guard Duty focuses on security threat detection. Anyways, I hope those questions help. There will be more. And watch the rest of my videos, please. And also, click on that link in the description. Come on, level up. Right? Anyways, I appreciate you watching. And just know, Floppy Tech loves you.